dear students, grade 4. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you are fine, safe and healthy today. Welcome back again here to our subject, science subject, and we will learn through this Google Classroom. I'm very happy today because I can share this video to all of you. So Miss Happy can explain about our lesson or our topic for today. Well, today we will learn about human and animals, right? But before Miss Happy going to explain more about the human and animals, their characteristics, Miss Happy have a question to all of you. The first question, are you alive or not alive? Yeah, good. You are alive. Why? Why you say that you are alive? Yeah, good. Because you can grow, you can move, we can reproduce, and also we need food, drink, or we need nutrition. So you, Miss Happy, humans are alive. Now the second question. Look at this book. Is it this book alive or not alive? Yeah, good. This book is not alive. Why? Because this book cannot move, cannot grow, cannot reproduce, and not need food and drink to stay alive. Well, before Miss Happy explain more about the human animals, Miss Happy will explain first about the things in our environment. Now, as we divide just now, things become alive or not alive. Actually, things can be divided into two. Things can be living things or alive and non-living things. Right? Now, what is living things? Living things is things that are alive. As you see just now that you are alive. So, you, Miss Happy, we are humans is the example of the living things. Humans, animals, and plants are the example of the living things. Next, non-living things. Non-living things are things that are not alive. Okay, like books, handphone, car, and etc. Okay. That is about living and the non-living things. Now, we are going to the human and animals. Human and animals are living things. Why? Because they can move. They can reproduce. They can grow. And also, they need nutrition or food and drink to stay alive. So, can move, can reproduce, can grow, need nutrition are the life processes of human and animals. So here are the life processes of human and animals. Without this, human cannot survive. Or we can call also as move, reproduce, grow, need nutrition as the characteristics of living things. Okay? So, I thought you can compare now or you can differentiate between living things and non-living things. Okay? Miss Happy, humans is a living things. Books is non-living things. So, what are the differentiate between humans, Miss Happy, human living things with these books? Yeah, the living things just now or humans just now can move, can reproduce, can grow, need food, need water, or need nutrition. While these non-living things or books, they don't need food and drink, or they don't need nutrition, they not grow, they not move, and they do not reproduce. Wow, that is what next explanation. Okay. Well, beside the life of the process of the human, like they can grow, they can move, they can reproduce, humans also use their senses to stay alive. Anybody still remember what are the 5 senses of humans? Okay, yeah, good. I thought when you are grade 3 or 2, you have ever learned this before. Who still remember the 5 senses? or in Indonesia we can call it as alat indera atau panca indera. Yeah, good. The 5 senses are nose, ear, eyes, skin, tongue. Yeah, well, 5 senses. Okay, the first one is eyes, nose. What else? Can you see? Okay, tongue, skin, and ear. Well, I thought all of you had known about each function or uses the senses of the senses. Okay, the first one. Who still remember what is the use of eyes? Yeah, good. To see. Very good. Next, nose. Yeah, good. To smell. To smell something. Good sense or bad sense. Next, tongue. Yeah, good. To taste. To taste food. It's sour, bitter, sweet, etc. Skin. To feel. Good. To feel. If something hot, cold, warm, and etc. Next, ear. To hear. To hear something or to hear sound. Well, students, that is a simple explanation to all of you. And after this, Miss Happy will going to give you 2 more activities. The first one is to write the summary of our lesson today into your notebook. And then the second one, do your quiz in your Google Classroom. There will be 5 questions. And don't forget also, after you write the note or the summary in your notebook, take the photo or capture your notebook after you finish to write it and send back to Miss Happy. Okay, students, that's all for today. I hope you can do your activities and good luck for your quiz in the Google Classroom. See you in the next meet. Bye!